नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, my dear kids, we started on new lesson on the previous class, right? Today we are going to what we learned, that Chunmun having some on question that how the leaves are shaking. So while searching the answer for that, he is going forward and he is meeting. Who he is meeting? He is Natkat Gilhari, right? He is meeting on Naughty Squirrel, and that Natkat Gilhari is telling that because of the wind only that leaves are shaking. By hearing that, he is going forward. On the way, he is hearing some voice that help, help. Who is shouting like that? On and he trapped under the leaves, and that ant is asking for help. So this Chunmun, that bird, is going and helping that ant, and ant is telling that because of you only I got life. Under the leaf I was, what he was doing, he was difficult to breathe, was choking under the leaf. So he is asking, you are choking, what happened, why you were choking like that? This Chunmun is asking. So after that, what happened, we will see. Page number 53. Write on the up of it today's date, 12/2/2021, Shukrawar. Write on the up of it, my dear kids. Then, मेरे ऊपर सूखे पत्ते गिर जाने से मुझे हवा नहीं मिल रही थी. Because of dry leaves, it was on the up of me. Because of that only I am not getting wind. I am not getting air, so that only I can't breathe. जिसके कारण मैं सांस नहीं ले पा रही थी. Because of that I can't breathe. I am not getting air because the dry leaves and all, it came and fall down on my body, so I didn't get breathe. चींटी ने चुनमुन से कहा. चींटी was telling to चुनमुन, अच्छा मैं अब चलती हूँ. ओके, आई एम गोइंग नाउ. अपना ख्याल रखना. टेक केयर. ओके, ख्याल रखना मीन्स टेक केयर. राइट दैट माय डियर किड्स. ख्याल रखना, टेक केयर. यह कहते हुए चुनमुन आगे बढ़ चली. बाय सेइंग दैट चुनमुन इज गोइंग फॉरवर्ड. चुनमुन सोचने लगी कि हवा हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. नाउ चुनमुन इज थिंकिंग, या विंड इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर लाइफ. इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. धीरे धीरे सूरज ऊपर चढ़ने लगा. देन स्लोली सन इज मूविंग अप. सन इज मूविंग अप. मुझे बहुत प्यास लग रही है. आई एम फीलिंग सो थर्स्टी. ही इज टेलिंग हिज ऑन दैट बिकॉज वेरी hot it is, isn't it? Suraj, sun is on the up, so he's feeling so thirsty and he's telling, I'm feeling so thirsty. Pyas means thirst. चुनमुन ने मन ही मन कहा. He is telling in his mind. पास ही बहता झरना देखकर चुनमुन खुशी से चिल्लाई. By nearby what she is seeing, बहता झरना means lake, on flowing lake she is seeing and telling, she is felt so happy. And मिल गया पानी, I got water. मिल गया पानी, got water, I got water. और झरने के पास जा पहुंची. Then she is going near to the lake. She is shouting. She felt so happy and she is going forward. And while seeing the water, she is shouting like, मिल गया पानी, I got water. चुनमुन ने जी भर के पानी पिया, लेकिन झरने की बौछार से वह गीली हो गई. He drank how much he needs. He drank fully. But what happened, because of the shower of the lake, she became wet. Bauchar, shower, gili, wet. She became wet because of the flowing of the, when the birds are drinking water, it will I think that wings will shake on the water, I think. So because of that, her wings and all became wet. So अब मैं कैसे उड़ूंगी, because of it became wet means he couldn't fly, right? So it is telling how I will fly. मेरे पंख तो गीले हो गए. my wings and all became wet. How I will fly? तभी झरने के पानी में तैरती मछली ने चुनमुन को देखा और बोली. That time what happening? That lake only one मछली means fish was flowing. Fish was swimming on that. तैरती means swimming. By seeing Chunmun, it is telling that Chunmun, अपने पंखों को तेजी से हिलाओ. You fastly you shake your wings. कुछ देर हवा में खड़ी हो जाओ. Go and stand on the wind for some time. Go and you shake your wings fastly. Then after that you go and stand on the air for the air or wind for some time. तुम सूख जाओगी. Then you will become dry. चुनमुन ने ठीक वैसा ही किया. How that मछली that fish has told like that, चुनमुन also went and done like that. कुछ ही देर में चुनमुन सूख गई. After some time चुनमुन became dry. खुश होते हुए चुनमुन बोली, because of happiness, because suddenly she became dry. So because of happiness that चुनमुन is telling, अरे वाह, यह हवा तो बड़े काम की है. दिस विंड इज़ डूइंग वेरी गुड जॉब. मैं झट से सूख गई. फास्टली आई हैव बिकम ड्राई. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस विंड आई बिकेम ड्राई फास्टली. इट्स वेरी गुड. दिस विंड इज़ डूइंग ए गुड जॉब. लाइक दैट इट इज़ टेलिंग. You can see the fish and all. Isn't it how he is shaking the body? That also you can see. Then next page. अचानक चुनमुन को बहती हवा की दिशा से बच्चों की आवाज़ें सुनाई दी. चुनमुन की बहती हवा की दिशा से अचानक सडनली व्हाट हैपनिंग, चुनमुन ही इज़ हियरिंग सम साउंड फ्रॉम द साउंड ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन दोस हु इज़ फ्लोइंग शेकिंग. कुछ बच्चे चरने से दूर एक खाली जगह में खेल रहे थे. व्हाट हैपन, सम चिल्ड्रन वेयर प्लेइंग ऑन द एम्प्टी प्लेस ऑफ नियर टू द not near, some distance from the lake. One empty place was there. There the children were, some kids were playing. कुछ बच्चे झरने से दूर एक खाली जगह में खेल रहे थे. Some kids were playing from far of this lake. चुनमुन पेड़ के डाल पर जाकर बैठ गई. चुनमुन he was sitting on the branch of a tree. और खेलते बच्चों को देखने लगी. See here children are playing. So Chunmun is sitting here and watching how the kids are playing. कुछ बच्चे गुब्बारों से खेल रहे हैं. some kids are playing with balloons. गुब्बारों, balloons. तो कुछ बच्चे आसमान में पतंग उड़ा रहे हैं. So some others were flying kites on the sky. तभी एक बच्ची बोली, that one kid is telling, मेरा गुब्बारा सबसे बड़ा होगा. My balloon only will become big. देखना तुम सब. You all see, my balloon only will become big. मैं इससे हवा भरती हूँ. अभी मैं इसमें हवा भरती हूँ. I am going to keep air inside that, because when blowing from our mouth, our air only going inside, so that only that balloon is blowing, right? So that work also this wind is doing. चुनमुन बच्चों को ऐसा करते देख हैरान थी. Now only this Chunmun is seeing this, and so by seeing this Chunmun became astonished, became surprised. कुछ देर बाद वह उत्सुकता से बोली. After some time, very curiously he said, अच्छा तो ये भी हवा है. So this also wind only. ये तो बड़े काम की चीज़ है. This is a great thing only, that wind is a very great thing. हवा के कारण ही बच्चे इतने तरह तरह के मज़ेदार खेल खेल रहे हैं. Because of wind only these kids were playing so many different enjoyable plays and all they are playing. Because of wind only they can fly the kite, right? Because of wind only they can blow the balloon, isn't it? So this, because of the wind only these play and all they can play. दिन भर की सारी बातें सोचते हुए वह वापस अपने घर पहुंच गए. Then he was thinking whatever happened in the daytime and all, and he is returning to home and he reached home. उसे देखते ही माँ बोली. By seeing that itself, mother is asking, क्या हवा से बातें कर रही हो चुनमुन? Why you are talking to wind like that? चुनमुन, you are talking with wind and coming. आओ अब खाना खा लो. Now you come and eat like that. Eat the food like that his mother is telling. चुनमुन यह कहते हुए खिलखिला के हंस पड़ी. So चुनमुन was telling something and laughing. वाह, यह हवा बड़े काम की है. This air is of great use, mother. इसकी वजह से तो मैं पूरी दुनिया में उड़ते हुए घूम सकती हूँ. Because of this air only, this whole world I can fly. Isn't it? Even the birds also needs air, right? Because of that only they are flying on the sky. Not only with the wings, the wings also needs air or wind to fly over the sky, isn't it? So he is telling because of this, इसी वजह से है, because of this only I can roam on the whole world, like that she is telling, isn't it? So how much use it is here, isn't it? This Hawa, how much use it is. So this Chunmun got so many questions answer from this lesson, right? So have you understood this lesson, my dear kids? Have you got some information about wind and all, right? So many things this wind is doing, and balloons blowing, flying kite, birds are flying, isn't it? These birds, we can be dry because of this. If we are wet, we can be dry because of this. Okay, madam, because of this wind only, so many things are happening, right? So that we learned from this lesson. So you read the lesson, my dear kids, read it, record it and send it to me. How much you can, you read it, try to read, then only you can improve your reading. Okay, while ma'am is reading, you keep your hand on that, keep your finger on that and read it. Whatever meanings ma'am has written on the textbook, that you have to write on your textbook with the pencil. For you people to see only, I have written with the pen. You don't use pen on your textbook, because you are kids only, right? If you want to see, now if I am writing with the pencil, means you won't be visible, so that only I am writing with the pen. So you have to write with the pencil only. Okay, my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.